And then now it's already a fully formed nest in one day. They're quite fast, huh?
And now, what are they called? S-E-R-I-N?
Serin. They're called serin tisserins. Weaving birds in English.
C'est ça, Coca-Cola avec cola, avec caféine.
Ouais.
Oh, yeah. I'm always thirsty.
There's
The
booze.
light one. Light one hasn't got it. In the fridge.
In the fridge, okay.
That's worse, the other one.
What can I do?
It's got aspartame, cancer stuff.
Oh, doesn't matter. Oh, you got cancer, so it's okay.
Yeah, nice.
Saucisson sec.
It's a saucisson when we were little.
Yeah.
Bon.
Did you taste it yourself? The saucisson?
Maybe we should
Adèle, I need some for Adèle sandwich. She enjoyed
She
it.
ate it. Yeah,
Enjoyed
she was
it.
régalée.
Yeah.
Moi, c'était en Corée.
Attends, il y a plus.
Oui.
Can I look at the make?
In the fridge.
Voilà.
Les deux, c'est les saucissons secs.
On va mettre des champs.
Hilda, Daniel, merci.
Again?
No, I tell Daniel about it. Oh gosh.
Utan det är inget liv,
It doesn't bring it. No, the answer is we're very busy, Daniel.
Yeah.
We're not here, we don't stay here. Look, today we wasted a blind day to
Moi, je suis blessé du visage, Margot, là.
Oui, yes, Daniel. Yes. So,
It's made in France, but only for exportation.
Ici, they
Huh?
do that. Yeah.
Yeah. In England, when you had French products, when you had the jam that you bought in England, it came from France, but made for England.
yeah.
You see?
They do that.
Yeah. They do that, so we, people in the country, they don't
Don't
have.
get it, yeah.
Don't get it.
Ça, ça vient.
Huh?
C'est bon.
What I made. 50 pence in Wolverhampton Market, the material.
Yeah, it's
You made it
it's nice.
yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, I made it myself, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
I thought you bought
No,
that.
but they go very well with the trousers. I like that.
Yes, year in, year out, I bought it in Wolverhampton in winter, one winter. 50 pence a meter.
Okay.
The guy was going away, he said, take it.
Très bien, Mignon.
Yeah, yeah. He must be the landlord looking at the building work. You got your glasses in your bathroom, huh? You know
No.
that.
Is it Daniel's? No.
No.
It's not Daniel?
Stuart. Je vais prendre une piquée dans mon article.